Mods.
Hello, I'm Greg Rutke of Rutke Mods, and once again, welcome to the Rutke Mod Studio 3.0, which is still in the beta version, so sorry for the echoes. There's nothing in here yet. I'll be explaining that in another video, but yeah, there's still problems in this. But anyway, getting past that, welcome to today's PowerPC video. This is episode, what is it? Okay, yeah, it's episode 14 of season 3 of my PowerPC series. I thought we'd do another unboxing video. And this is episode 3 of the iMac G4 unboxing. If you've seen episodes in season 1 of the PowerPC series, here we go. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is not what I bought. It's definitely not what I bought. I thought it didn't look right. And RAM won't even work in it. It's going to be one of those videos again. This is a first generation iMac G4. And this is a... Ha ha. I'm trying not to say anything really bad because I'll get demonetized again. But that, ladies and gentlemen, once again, is not what I ordered. I did 2 iMac G4 unboxings that were failures because they weren't what I ordered. This should be, and I'm really excited for it. And I just realized I don't have a knife to open this with, so it's going to be a problem. Darn it. I got a knife. Really sketchy looking one. I just found it, believe it or not, on the floor in this house. Yeah, it should work. Now, before you guys go and think that this right here is the world's fastest iMac G4, it isn't. It's still being worked on, what, 2 years later? This is actually what I've been trying to get a hold of for eons now. It's been a hard road. In fact, a lot of people on low-end Mac and a lot of other places have gotten these for free. I can't find one at all. But luckily, Redacted, aka the owner of Redacted, he had 2 of them. So I bought one off of him. And Redacted, this is awesome. Good friend of mine. You guys should check him out. I'll put a link in the description to his Facebook site. If it's still there, I haven't been on there in a while. But I'll try to put a link in the description down there for that. But yeah, Redacted sold this to me, and we'll be unboxing it today, which I'm excited. And we'll get to try out my brand new table, which came with the house. But it's a nice table, so we're going to be using it to unbox this. And there is a lot of tape on here. Redacted. And I'm just hoping it came in one piece because we've had a pretty bad track record of getting these. But in today's video, we'll be unboxing the system, setting it up, and seeing what it has. And later on, I'll be doing a separate video for it. But let's start unboxing it. So let's go. Okay guys, so we're going to unbox it on this table. It should be fun. So let's just start using this sketchy knife to unbox it and cut towards me. Yeah, that's a pretty nice boxing job, I think. Or see. So let's, I guess it just pulls out in one unit. Like this. Or not. Okay. As I hit the light above me. Oops. Okay. Okay, yeah, he didn't make it one piece. As I hit the light again. Redacted. We need to talk about how you pack these. Well, hopefully it works. So, yeah. Pull it out here. Well, other than the frame coming off on the screen, it's in one piece from what I can tell. There's only one problem with this system, and that is, he said the internal speaker is blowing out. It's not a big deal. I plan on using Pro speakers anyway, but here it is, and it's a little filthy. But here it is. Let's see if it's a 1.25. Man, I hope it is. Yep, 1.25 gigahertz. It's got 256 megs of RAM from the factory. I don't know what it actually has now. And an 80 gigabyte hard drive. So I finally got a 1.25. If it powers on, I'd call this a win. And I'll just overlook this. Redacted. Just a little glue, it goes back on. So. Yeah, I'll go get a power cable and a keyboard and stuff, and we'll power it up and see what happens. Okay, so this is going to be the first power up I've done. Everything's hooked up. I don't have the proper Pro keyboard, well, it's by then an Apple keyboard, unpacked yet, so we're going to be using a first generation Pro keyboard. But other than this is all error correct, I think. Even the white Pro mouse. I've got two of them out because I know one of these is broken, and I've got a lot of them, but I'm not sure which one's broken. I forgot to mark it. So we're going to have two of them out, and if this one doesn't work, we'll use this one. But anyway, without any further ado, let's hit the power button and see what happens. That's a good sign. LCD is one piece. It's booting up. If you notice the speakers light up for a split second, that's because this is the LED modded Pro speakers I have. So when the volume's up real high, they pulse with white light, which is pretty neat. Anyway, it's booting up right now. We'll let it boot up. I'll kneel down in front of it, and we'll see what's going on here. Joyce's iMac. Well, this thing's never been wiped. It's got leopard on it currently. We might have to do the reset hack thing to set it up again so we can put a password in, because I doubt it will just go in. Courtney family, no password. Carly Courtney, no password. Okay, so we're going to go into single user mode and type in the reset stuff and all that stuff, which I don't remember how to do right offhand, so I've got to go look it up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've typed in the command, hit enter. This should reset the setup on it. then I should just be able to type in, I think, reboot. And it should boot up. So before I hit enter on this, I'm going to set this up so we can see it restart. But this is how you reset up everything, put another account and stuff on it. If you need to test it for some reason, you can do this on any Mac in the last 15, 20 years, really. Just as long as you boot in a single user mode, you hit Command S and all that stuff. So before I do all this stuff and hit enter and stuff, let's set this camera back up. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter now. And it should reboot. Okay, so re-enabling Apple setup and all that stuff will allow you to just make another account so you can access what's on the computer. Secure drives you can't do, and hey, this has a Wi-Fi card in it, so it's got an airport card. That's awesome. In fact, we can connect it real quick. 1 second. All right, continue. The nice thing is the Wi-Fi router is literally right next to the computer. Now, I would not do this to steal someone's info and stuff. I'm sure this has a lot of private data on it. I'm going to delete it. I'm not going to actually go through all their private stuff. I don't care about their private stuff. And this whole drive's going to be wiped, but we're going to set it up just to see what's on here hardware-wise, not what's actually on the hard drive. So, let's see here. Command Q, skip. And continue. I don't want a password. It's set up for Austin, Texas. Let's set up for like Washington. And hit done. It sounds like there's something in the optical drive. Eject. It didn't eject. Is there something in there? Yeah, it definitely sounds like there's something in there. Looks like we're getting a free disc of something. Who knows what? There we go. Oh, cool! It came with a free copy of Elf. How about that? Free movie. Can't complain about that. Yeah. So, yeah, let's not put that back in there for copyright strike reasons. But that's cool. Well, now we know the optical drive still works. Let's see what's on this system real quick. I'm not going to go through their files and stuff, but hey, we got this working. It says it's 1 a.m. on a Tuesday, October 9th. I think. When does it? October 9th, 2007. The clock's a little wrong. The prime battery might be dead. But let's see here about this Mac. Oh! I don't have to upgrade it, guys. I'll still open it to change the thermal paste, but this thing is totally maxed out. I'll show you. We got 2 gigs of DDR in it. It's totally maxed out here, guys. Oh, this is awesome. Memory. Well, let's do graphics and displays. It's got the FX5200, the most powerful iMac G4 GPU ever. Not a great GPU, but it was the best for these. And let's see here. Memory. Yeah, it's totally maxed out. That's awesome. So this is a big win. The system's a little dirty. It needs cleaned. I need to get this frame back on here. But other than that, I would call that a successful win. This thing is awesome. I'm so excited, guys. So let's see if I can get into the camera frame here. So yeah, I don't actually know if I'm actually looking at you guys, but I hope I am. This has been a success, so thank you so much. Redacted. I'm really excited. Don't worry about how it's packed, but keep that in mind next time. Redacted kind of sucks, but hey, I'm not going to complain. It's awesome, man. I'm really excited. I finally got a working system, and we'll be doing a video on this very soon. When I say very soon, I don't actually know when it's going to be. Yeah, it's going to be pretty soon from now, and I can't complain. This is so exciting. I finally got my dream iMac. Well, my true dream iMac now is the world's fastest G4, which Carlin's still working on, but this was before that, and I finally got it. I'm so happy. Words do not describe how happy I am right now. This is an excellent experience here. So anyway, I think that should wrap up the video there. Guys, don't forget now that I am supported by SellYourMac.com. So if you have an Apple device you'd like to sell, just go to SellYourMac.com/RutGameMods and sell something there. It will help me out, and it will help you out because you'll be making money. And also don't forget, I do now have a Patreon, and I'll have a link in the description and at the end of the video. And I'm so happy, guys. This is awesome, and I got a free movie out of it, which that's cool too. So anyway, yeah, that's the end of today's video, and thank you guys for watching. This has been a RutGameMods video. Okay, so this is going to be the